The great thing about our local area is there are so many advanced engineering and manufacturing firms here. It is a brilliant place to get into this growing and exciting area of work.
It's amazing how many manufacturing firms there are in the district and how many apprenticeships they've got to offer loads of young people after they've left their GCSEs.
In the Braintree District there's a wealth of opportunity. You can make anything from aerospace to car transporters.
Taking an apprenticeship is a really good way to get involved in advanced manufacturing because it allows you to apply everything you learn in the classroom to a hands-on approach.
I've never really been interested in full-time education, so an apprenticeship is a great idea for me.
They really got across how many skills you can learn, how you're still getting paid whilst you're learning, and how it is equivalent to other grades through uni.
But you also get that work experience which actually puts you ahead of others who just study.
The scope for development when undertaking an apprenticeship is huge, not only within the apprenticeship itself, which can go from GCSE right the way up to degree level, but also beyond that apprenticeship, which is of course just the start of the journey. The opportunities for manufacturing and engineering are worldwide and the skills are completely transferable wherever you want to go.